So, you hear this? You see this? Yeah, I was gonna finish out that video on cleaning this. Heads up. Cleaning this vise up and putting a paint job on it a little bit, make it a little pretty. And I break this out to do some wire wheeling, and seems to me the hold for this, the jam pin, in order to turn this on, to lock it in place so you can spin these, whatever head you decide to put on here. This seems like it's stuck in or something. Not sure. I don't know, maybe it's more of the gears in here, but there's only one way to find out. So I'm going to take a little look-see and see what we're dealing with. So here we go. Okay, down in there. There we go. Yeah, that's about obnoxious, right? Is there anything else holding you? I don't think so. Open sesame. Aha. Aha. Uh-oh. Yeah. This spins out pretty nice. But this gear seems pretty well fuckered. Yeah, this might be foobarred. I don't know. I thought this pin was what was giving me the problem. Felt like she was stuck, but apparently not. No, there ain't going to be much replacing this, I don't think. I'm not even going to try to get the parts. This thing's an antique by this time. I mean, I got this off my uncle. Well, I got this from my uncle died, and he died, good Lord, 11 years ago now. And it was pretty well used then. So I'm going to guess this is pretty well hammered and there's no coming back from it. Can this be used for something? Yeah, that's a dry dream right there. Don't even think I think I'm just gonna chuck it. I mean, yeah, possibly I could use some of the other parts out of this. Springs and switches and good stuff like that. Oh, look at that. Here, in case you're wondering how this works. Back in the old days, I don't know if they have anything that's durable now. This is the switch, turn her on, you push her up, and there, watch back here. Then she stays in place, and you just, it's detented up on, and you trip it by pushing that down, and she kicks back, and she throws the switch, lets this switch return to open. Alright, well, I guess that answers that. Okay, even though she sounds real bad, and she's about ready to fall apart, I'm going to ride her till she sinks, so let's do this. Okay, well, I think I officially got her to give up the ghost. She's done. I gotta get another one. Hang on. Okay, I think you got the idea pretty much, right? Here's the big unveiling. Kind of feel like a kid at Christmas after you paint something. I mean, even though my paint jobs are kind of hokey anyway, but whatever. Let's see what this looks like. Should stop the rust and make it a little bit pretty. Let's peel some of this masking off of here and see what happens. Insert. Now, there we go. Well, would you just fit? Come on now. Threaded this. This is a fresh thread I threaded, and I backed this screw out of here to take this apart to paint it. And now it wants to be a major pain in the ass going back in there. And like I didn't beat on this. No. Alright. Be right back. I gotta get a tap. Things give you a hard time. You just have to go at it and correct it. Most of the time you just need a bigger hammer or more horsepower. So we're going to see what that did. Now, that threaded right in there pretty. I don't know how it would have boogered up the threads at all, because I did nothing to this to stress it out. I mean, other than clamp it in the vise to hit it with the wire wheel. Okay, well, there you go. See how easy that was? You generally just need to smack it in the head a couple of times. Which way is prettier? Okay. That way's prettier. In the hole. Damn it. She's running a little rough because I cleaned all the lubrication off of it, or as much as I could get off, so make sure that paint would stick. So what do you think? Looks better? Think I could sell that for $10? I think I could. I mean, you know, if you had something small to do with it, you couldn't be putting anything heavy in here, because it's not very big to begin with, and it's not all that expensive of a vise. And again, it's been fixed. Now that fix should be pretty good. I did a video about that before. I think I mentioned that already in this video. Alright, all ready for the flea market. Yeah. Or my bench here. I haven't decided yet. I may bench it up, keep it for right here, because it'd be real handy. Guess that's it for this one. Breathing some life back into this poor old vise. Thanks for watching.